In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn commission rewards with Kucoin's affiliate program. If you've ever wanted to turn your passion for cryptocurrencies into a source of income, this guide is just for you, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Firstly, you'll need to visit the official Kucoin website. You can easily find it by searching for the Kucoin official site in your web browser. It's important to always ensure that you are on the correct website to keep your information secure. Once you're there, you'll see the main page of this popular crypto exchange, which offers a variety of tools and resources for traders and users alike. Now, to access the affiliate program, you must log into your Kucoin account. If you already have an account, just click on the Login button, usually found at the top of the homepage. Enter your credentials as prompted. If you are not yet a member, you will need to sign up first, which you'll find quite straightforward on the same page. Make sure your details are correct and up to date to avoid any issues later on. Once you're logged into Kucoin, navigate back to the homepage. Here, you will see all kinds of trading options, market data, and financial products available to you. But what we're interested in today is a specific part of the Kucoin offerings, their affiliate program. On the homepage, find and click on the More section. This area will reveal additional features and tools that Kucoin has to offer. It can sometimes be overlooked because it hides under the main categories. But it is here where you'll find the link to take the next step. In the More menu, you will see the affiliate program option. Click on this link and you'll be taken to a dedicated page that outlines the details of Kucoin's affiliate initiative. This program is designed to reward users like you for bringing new traders and enthusiasts to the platform. You can earn commissions based on the trading activity of the users you refer. Finally, click on Kucoin Affiliate Program to fully access the details and sign-up page for the affiliate program. This page will provide all the information you need on how the program works, the commission structure, and additional perks you may receive as an affiliate partner. It's worth taking some time to read through the terms to understand how to maximize your earnings effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're all set up to earn commission rewards through Kucoin's affiliate program. Remember to promote responsibly and adhere to any guidelines they provide for the best results. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey with Kucoin.